Hello, and this is a really quick announcement video to say a big thank you to the 50,000 of you, and a few more, that have subscribed to this channel. I must confess that when I started the channel 2.5 years ago, I never expected it to be this popular, so again, thank you very much. Your support means a lot. And it's become tradition on this channel to celebrate a subscriber milestone with a live coding party, and I'll be doing that on Sunday. As the channel has grown, I often get approached now by people asking me to flog their products and services. And some of them are so terrible and misguided I turn them down straight away. I mean, you guys aren't interested in garden furniture, are you? However, two have popped up that really caught my eye because they really fit in with the one lone coder mentality. And they have very generously decided to donate some gifts that I can offer in a prize draw. The first two prizes are from GameDeveloperStudio.com, and if you're anything like me, drawing is not one of your strong points, so why not let somebody else draw it all for you? And GameDeveloperStudio.com has very generously donated two $50 vouchers to spend on assets at their store, and there's all sorts here for all types of games. The quality of the assets is high, and I quite like the art style, and I particularly like saying animated liquid globule. It just feels nice to say. But yes, some of these are animated too, and they come in a variety of file formats, particularly PNG, which is compatible with almost everything. So a big thanks to GameDeveloperStudio.com for donating two $50 vouchers to spend at their store. The next set of prizes are some keys for Android, iOS and Steam for the game Cheeky Beetle by Rocksoft Games, and I liked this one because it's made by a single individual, and it just goes to show that if you put in the time and effort, you too can create something that will end up on a market somewhere for people to play. This game can best be described as an action Pac-Man, and it's quite addictive to play. There's lots of things going on. You can pick up pickups which change the nature of the gameplay, and it's just really nice that it's created by a single individual. So good stuff, Rocksoft. To enter the prize draw is really simple. Simply click on the link below and it'll take you to this form, where you can read what the prizes are and the terms and conditions for winning, and simply you have to answer the sentence "I clicked compile and." But I need a way to contact you, so please leave either your email address, your full Discord name, your Twitter name, and if you do win, I'll need to know what preferred game platform, just in case you win the game. And so that's it. Thank you so much again for helping me reach this milestone. Good luck in the competition, and come and join me on Sunday for some live humiliating debugging. Take care.